Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. This truck is powered by its original 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has only 58,000 miles showing. Finished in white with a blue interior, this gasoline-powered classic runs and drives exceptionally well, offering a very smooth ride and reliable cold starts every time. The truck recently received a fresh paint job and sits on 8-inch rally wheels wrapped in new tires, giving it a clean classic appearance that attracts plenty of attention wherever it goes. It also comes equipped with factory AC, which only needs to be recharged to function properly. Overall, the truck presents well, drives strong, and includes a clean California title in hand. Number 2. 2002 GMC Sonoma, price $6,995, well-kept pickup truck showing only 99,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, this truck runs and drives excellent with no known mechanical issues. The exterior is finished in a sharp brown color that still presents very nicely, while the black interior has been well maintained and remains clean and comfortable. This Sonoma comes with a clean title, no accident history, and a clean Carfax report available for added peace of mind. All routine services are up to date, showing that the truck has been properly cared for over the years. It has also recently passed its smog check, making it ready for the road immediately. The truck looks just as good as it drives, with nice paint condition, a well-kept cabin, and a great set of wheels and tires that complement its overall appearance. Everything is in good working order, and it is the kind of pickup that can be driven home today with confidence. Number 3. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,995, equipped with 174,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, a red exterior, and a gray interior. This truck has been well maintained and features a clean overall setup with several recent upgrades and many brand new parts recently installed. It runs very strong and provides a reliable driving experience, making it an excellent choice for work, utility use, or everyday driving. The truck comes with cold AC, oversized mud tires for a more aggressive look and added capability, and a toolbox mounted in the bed for extra storage and convenience. It also received a fresh new paint job that gives the exterior a clean and updated appearance. With its dependable performance, solid condition, and useful features, this Ranger stands out as a practical and versatile pickup ready for its next owner. Number 4. 1986 Toyota pickup, price $9,500. It features a reliable 22 or 2.4L gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck comes finished in silver with a gray interior, giving it a clean and timeless look. It has successfully passed smog inspection, and the registration is valid through November 2026. Recent work includes a new remanufactured Jasper engine replacement along with a complete engine gasket kit. The cooling system has also been refreshed with a new radiator and water pump. Additional maintenance includes replacement of the power steering belt, water pump belt, and air conditioning belt. Ignition components have been updated with new spark plugs, ignition wires, distributor cap, and rotor. A new clutch job has also been completed, helping ensure smooth operation of the manual transmission. Recent service history includes a fresh oil and filter change, coolant flush, power steering fluid exchange, brake fluid exchange, clutch fluid exchange, and rear differential drain and refill. A new Super Start battery has also been installed. Number 5. 1998 Nissan Frontier, price $5,600, powered by a newer replacement engine with only 70,000 miles, while the body itself has 201,000 miles. The truck comes with paperwork for the engine replacement, adding extra peace of mind for the next owner. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a sharp red exterior paired with a gray interior that still presents nicely for its age. According to the seller, the truck is super clean inside and out, showing that it has been well cared for over the years. The registration tags are up to date, making it ready for the road. While the truck does not have AC, it remains a solid and reliable compact pickup with a clean appearance and lower mile replacement motor that makes it stand out from many other older trucks on the market. Number 6. 1997 Nissan pickup, price $5,500, comes with a clean Florida title and has 144,000 original miles. It is equipped with a dependable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a reliable and enjoyable compact truck to drive. Finished in gray with a well-kept black interior, the truck still presents very nicely for its age and has clearly been cared for over the years. The pickup is reported to run in great condition, with smooth performance and cold AC that works properly. The exterior paint remains in nice shape for a 1997 model, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. Inside, the cabin has been well maintained, showing minimal wear and a tidy overall look. It also comes with a great set of wheels and tires that complement the truck nicely and add to its overall stance and appearance. Number 7. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,400, powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine and comes equipped with an automatic transmission along with a 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has approximately 110,000 original miles and features a green exterior paired with a clean gray interior. According to the owner, the vehicle has been well maintained and has no known mechanical issues. It starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly both on the highway and around town. The engine performs excellent, the transmission shifts properly, and the truck is reported to be in solid overall condition for its age. Both the air conditioning and heater work great, making it comfortable to drive in any season. The owner also states that the title is clean and in hand. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a tan interior, this regular cab 2WD pickup runs and drives well, starts easily, shifts smoothly, and has a great sound thanks to its straight pipe exhaust setup. It comes with a clean antique title and recently received rear brake work, including new rear brake lines and rear drum components. The interior remains impressively clean for its age, while the exterior carries a classic old truck patina look with some surface frame rust and minor body rust beginning in a few areas, though nothing considered major. Additional features include stock wheels in good condition, aftermarket stereo and speakers, and overall solid drivability. Known issues include an intermittent parking brake and an odometer gear that recently stopped working. Number 9. 1994 Ford F350, price $9,000, powered by a strong-running 7.5L 460 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain. It has 136,150 miles and features a green exterior with a gray interior, running on gasoline fuel. According to the owner, everything is functioning properly, including the transmission, transfer case, heat, and air conditioning system. The truck is also equipped with a KN air filter and recently received several maintenance upgrades to improve reliability. Multiple components have already been replaced, including the spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap and rotor, ECT valve, IAC valve, PCV valve, ignition coil, and fuel filter. The oil was also recently changed. In addition, an AllowWorks 4-row all-aluminum radiator was installed, and the cooling system was fully flushed. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,650, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline-powered engine, and shows 292,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this truck has a clean North Carolina title and has been well maintained over the years. Although the odometer reads 292k miles, a Crate 350 engine was installed a few years ago and has very low mileage since the truck was mainly used as a farm truck afterward. It is paired with a strong 4L82WD transmission and runs and drives perfectly with no leaks reported. The truck recently received a brand new battery, fuel tank, fuel pump, and fuel filter. Both the heat and air conditioning work great, while the interior remains in fantastic condition for its age. The body is rust-free overall, though it does have a few dents.